Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log into Reasons Bank online banking on PC. Reasons Bank is one of the nation's largest full-service providers of consumer and commercial banking. To log into Reasons Bank online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar on the top and type in www.reasons.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Reasons Bank. Now here you can see online banking box on the right side of the website. You can see the login option. Now click on login option. With this, you'll be taken to the login page. Now to log into online banking, first enter your username on the given box. After that, if you want your username to be remembered, click on remember my username option. After this, if you forgot your username, then click on username. If you forgot your password, click on password option. With this, if you don't have online banking account, click on enroll now option. After entering your username, now click on continue option. With this, now you need to enter the password of your account. After you enter your password, then click on the option of continue. With this, now you need to verify your account. To do that, you need to enter the code or one-time code that is sent to your email address or the phone number. After that, you need to enter the code, then you'll be able to verify and then you'll be able to log into your account. This is how we can log into Reasons Bank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.